In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Gmail direct customer service. First, open your preferred web browser. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account you need help with if you can access it. Having the right account active helps the support resources tailor suggestions and makes community replies more accurate. Next, in the search bar, type Gmail Help Center and open the official Google Help site. You'll recognize it by the Google branding and a web address that ends with google.com. This is your central hub for trusted information, troubleshooting guides, and links to official resources. From there, look for the option to post to the help community. This takes you to the Gmail help community where experienced volunteers and product experts answer questions. It's a great place to get guidance when articles don't quite cover your specific situation. When you post your question, describe the issue clearly and include relevant details like what you tried, what device and browser you're using, and any error messages, but leave out personal data. Don't share passwords, recovery codes, or full email addresses. If you add screenshots, blur anything sensitive, the clearer your post, the faster volunteers can point you to the right solution or official documentation. If you're dealing with a lost password or a locked account, know that recovery is handled only through Google's automated account recovery process. No Google employee or volunteer can manually reset your password for you, and no one legitimate will ask for your password. Be prepared to verify your identity using the recovery options you previously set up, such as backup methods associated with your account. Inside Gmail itself, you can also send feedback directly to Google. Click the question mark icon in the top right of Gmail, then choose Send Feedback to Google. Use this to report bugs or suggest improvements. You typically won't receive a personal reply, but these reports are reviewed and help the product team identify and fix issues, include steps to reproduce the problem, and again, avoid sharing any private information. Finally, stay safe. Never call numbers or contact profiles you find on social media or unofficial websites claiming to be Gmail support. Those are often scams designed to steal your credentials or money. Gmail does not provide general phone support for consumer accounts. Always stick to the help center, the official community, and in product feedback. If something feels off, close the page and return to a verified google.com address. That's it. Follow these steps to get reliable help, share issues safely, and avoid scams while seeking Gmail support.